But recently I've been like, get your ass up and do your skincare. Why am I covered in glitter? Have I been to the strip club in my sleep? I've really been enjoying a scrubby. I just really have been enjoying a scrubby. I'm going across the street to get some orange sherbet. Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a little Lush favourites. I feel like I haven't done one in a really long time, so I figured it's about time, let's do one. I've got a few new loves here and a few old loves, to be honest. It's quite a nice balance, so let's get started. First up is a new product that I've been really quite enjoying, and it's the Turmeric and Argan Oil Facial Cleanser. So this is one of the newer ones that they brought out, and I very kindly got sent this from friends of Lush. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, very well loved. I am very close to the bottom of it. I really like using this for taking my makeup off. You can also do a second cleanse with it as well. I just find it really melts the makeup away if you do have makeup on. If you don't, it still makes a nice first cleanse, and then you can use like a foamier cleanser for your second cleanse. But I've very much been enjoying this. My skin in general, I've been taking a lot better care of it recently. I've been actually, some nights like I would get into bed and just be in agony and be like, I'm not doing my skincare. But recently I've been like, get your ass up and do your skincare. I'm getting old and I don't want to look older than I already do. I feel like I've been aged dramatically since having children and getting diagnosed with my autoimmune disease. So I'm taking better care of my skin now, and I think this has really added a nice part to it. My skin's looking glowy. It feels really like nourished and supple after using this as well. So yeah, I've very much been enjoying that. I would like to try out the other ones as well, so I might add those to my list next to try out. But this one is defo up there. This one was designed for more like mature skin, it said online, so that's the one I went for. Then I've just been adoring this since I got it. I've got a Honey Trap lip balm. This used to be, I used to love this back in the day, but I sort of forgotten how much I loved it until the Paddington collab came out, and Paddington bath bomb was Honey Trap scented. I just adore that scent, and I really fell in love with it, so I ordered myself obviously the Honey Trap lip balm to try again, and I just forgot how nice it was. Again, you can see this is very well used. Oh, smells sensational. To me, Honey Trap is like more of a actual pot of fresh jar of honey that you've literally just got from a beehive, like really fresh and nice, with like a slight, there is mint in it, but I don't get all that much mint myself. I think perhaps a bit more on the chocolatey side, but again, it's very much more honey with like a tiny bit of chocolate, I'd say. It's just gorgeous, and the formulation of this as well. I think I was worried about the formulation not being nourishing enough because I haven't tried it in years. Last time I tried it I was a teenager, and I'm in need of a bit more moisture these days. You know, as you get old it just gets sucked out of your skin. So I think I was a bit concerned that it wouldn't be enough for my lips, but it's actually wonderful. This is my new before bed one. I slather my lips, and most times I'll wake up in the morning and it's still like, you can still feel a bit of residue on there. They just feel nourished, no dry lips, just excellent. That's going to be a forever repurchase. It makes me feel a bit better because I always used to really rely on the Snow Fairy lip mask at Christmas, and I used to stock up on that. But now I've got an all year round one that I really like, so that's great. Then I've been enjoying this. It has been in my soap dish, so it's in better days. The what's it called? Banana Moon soap, I think it is, from the banana box we just got. Sorry, it's in the soap dish with a raspberry soap as well, so it's got a bit stained red. This is gorgeous. So this was in the banana box, and this scent to me is more of like a natural banana. It's not really strong, it's not in your face, it's not too like false scented, like it doesn't smell like foam bananas or anything like that if you want that false banana scent, but it does smell really nice and gorgeous in its own right. It's very natural, and it just feels like, I don't know how to explain it, it just feels right. I just really like it. Very creamy as well, leaves your hands soft. I hate soaps that leave your hands squeaky. This one is a very soft lather. It's really quite nice. The only thing I dislike about it is the lather is, of course, it's yellow, and it just looks really odd coming off your hands. The first time I used it I was like, oh my god, my hand's that dirty, and then I realised it was the same. But scent wise and lather wise, that's really nice. Then I've also very much been enjoying the is this Princess Power Body Balm, I think it's called, from the Mario, what was it called? The title's so long. Lush X Super Mario Galaxy Movie collab. And this was Princess Rosalina scented and Princess Peach scented, so two different scents on each side. I have just been using it as one, I will say. The scents together I think really complement each other. I much prefer the Rosalina scent as opposed to the Princess Peach scent, so I do like merging them together. The shimmer on this is I mean, if you're not a shimmer fan, you are going to hate it, but if you are a shimmer fan, you're going to be a big fan. I don't know if the camera's going to wash, of course it is. Camera's going to wash it out. But you've got obviously the nice glow of the oils anyway, but then you've got this lovely luster running through it. It's just beautiful. But honestly, the amount of days that I've gone to bed in like a black t-shirt or something, and I've woke up the next day, I'm like, why am I covered in glitter? Have I been to the strip club in my sleep? And then I remember that I've put this on the night before. But I don't care. I love glitter. Glitter me up. Glitter me up. So yeah, I've been loving that. The blue side is such a good scent. And then I do have another one from the Mario collab. I have really been enjoying the Luigi shower gel. Now, this, from what I've heard from people, this apparently they've changed this since the last collab. Like I said, I didn't get to try the last one. Sadly, I wish I had now. Like, I wish I'd been able to smell the difference. People were saying that this doesn't smell as good as the first one. But I mean, because I haven't smelled the first one and I've only smelled this one, I've got nothing to compare it to. But I do really like the smell of this one. It is meant to be Once Upon a Time scented. I think it's quite accurate to Once Upon a Time, I do. I can only imagine what did the first one smell like in comparison to this. If you're one of those people that have compared it, do let me know. I think it's quite reminiscent to Once Upon a Time. It's very sour apple candy. It's really nice. I've been using it. My partner's been using it. It's nice. It's a nice thick consistency as well. So you only need a dot of it and it lathers up so well. Considering the both of us have been using this, it's not gone down that much. It's pretty much always on our bath tray being used by one of us. One or the other. So yeah, I really like that. Nice crisp sour apple candy scent. I like it. Then back to the OGs. I've really been enjoying a Scrubby. I just really have been enjoying a Scrubby. Just beautiful. Again, ignore this one. He's been, what was he next to? I think he was next to the Fire Flower out of the Yoshi egg gummy. I don't know why they're next to each other, but it's leaked on it, so he's a bit red. He's got red on him. What I like to do with him, and I assume other people probably do this, I did do a video on it years ago. I like to use the chunky bottom base just as like a massage bar until it goes down to the scrubby element, and then I whack it in the shower and use it in the shower. I have actually used this one in the shower, but you can still use it after you use it in the shower, it's fine. I just really like it. It's Honey I Wish the Kids Scented, so that lovely honey toffee caramel scent. One of my all-time favourite scents from Lush, and this is just great. So if you didn't know, it's got Scrubby, I do believe it's like, what is it, almond shell or some sort of shell, scrubby bit in there to exfoliate, and then it's got the butters which melt on your skin. You put it all over you in the shower, wash it off, and it leaves you feeling like lotioned up without having to lotion up. You can just hop out the shower and get changed. So yeah, I've been enjoying that as well. And then last thing I've been thoroughly enjoying actually is Sweet World Orange Hand Balm. I have been having this in my bedside table and doing my hands of an evening, and I just forgot how much I loved it. It's like orange sherbet, as Austin Powers would say. I'm going across the street to get some orange sherbet. Someone's coming through my gate. Just smells like orange sherbet, and it's really quite nourishing. I just like it as an end of the night aperitif, you know. I put my foot lotion on, I do my hand cream, I do my lip balm, and I've just been enjoying it. Yeah. I can't say too much more on that. It's very nourishing. No dry hands, it's just great. What have you guys been loving recently? Please do let me know what your favourites have been. I always love knowing what you guys have been into as well, and recommendations, so I know what to grab next. I've whizzed through those products. This video is barely 10 minutes long. Sorry it was so quick. But yeah, like I said, let me know your favourites. Let me know how you are. Like, I want to know how you are. And I will see you in my next video.